Samsung's latest foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5, excel not only in lasting battery life but also in quick charging capabilities. These devices strike a remarkable balance between fast charging speeds and battery longevity, demonstrating Samsung's commitment to user convenience. Using Samsung's 25-watt superfast charger, users can achieve a 50% charge in just 30 minutes, ideal for those in a rush. A full charge takes slightly over an hour for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and around 80 minutes for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The credit for this impressive performance goes to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip that powers the devices, coupled with Samsung's strategic software optimizations. This efficient yet powerful combination ensures that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 maintain longevity even during intensive usage. These foldable phones outlast some models with larger batteries, thanks to this synergy between hardware and software. Beyond enduring extended use without rapid battery drain, these devices exhibit remarkable battery efficiency even at idle, even with 5G mobile data enabled. To extend battery life further, users can opt for a lighter performance profile that conserves power while maintaining smooth animations and quick app responsiveness. Additionally, activating Samsung's effective power-saving mode, a feature present across the brand's smartphones and tablets, offers an extra boost in preserving battery life. For potential buyers concerned about battery performance, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 present a reassuring solution. With their quick charging abilities and enduring battery life, these devices ensure seamless usability, making them a viable choice for those seeking both efficiency and innovation.